If you're looking for a quick and easy budget dish, this tuna puttanesca ticks all the boxes. Fry a sliced onion for a few minutes. When it's softened, add crushed garlic and a pinch of chili flakes. Pour in the tinned tomatoes and half fill the empty tomato can with water and add that too. Add 16 chopped olives and the drained tuna. To help the sauce stick to the pasta, add a ladle of the starchy cooking water, followed by the cooked pasta. And if you want to boost the health benefits even more, use whole wheat pasta. It adds more vitamins and gut-loving fibre, helps lower cholesterol and supports overall health. Stir for a minute or two and top with fresh herbs, a twist of black pepper, and enjoy a simple, satisfying, Slimming World friendly meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe and come back for more Slimming World meal ideas.